October 2024. Remember, I get jacket. We're glad it's God. Say yes, God will bless. The plane is landed. Get ready, we're excited. And I'm on the tour flight. I'm alone in a 3-seat T-2. All in a row. Morning, UK. Coming from Jamaica. Back in the cold. Yes, nice. People must sleep on that. Go walk out that plane. Me, the bus stand by. Good morning, Mr. Captain. Thanks for landing us safe and sound. Make your flight to cheap and cheerful for all the loved ones. Family vacation, okay? I'm on to it. Thank you. Mr. Captain is gonna speak now, I suppose. Where is he? You're the captain, I know. You're the captain. Shh. Please speak. Jamaica stock, Jamaica land, I love nevertheless. So then I select tea, Blue Mountain, ginger tea. Or try them, I get in a land, the tree Lucas said, I get cornstarch, I get ginger tea, I get mataran, Cravenia, white rum, Thangston, Humble Clad, and the big bad Maggie season, big pan for the grandbabies them, cinnamon leaf, as you know the tasty spot is there. Whoa, dirty girl, Ray, alcohol, rubbing alcohol. You get this, you get that, you get this, you get that. Taste it is here. Have no fear, last call. Worse, sour sap leaf. Them I say it can be like a sour sap. Good stocks to stop, but them still stuck in London. Scoot, whoa, rock cake, pear, bug juice, KFC, pepper. Nice cut, bunny pepper. We're just excited over my stock. Come like I first we got Jamaica. All we don't get Jamaica pear and bat, bulla and pear. Anyway, as the know it go, watch down yourself. Sail out, quick and fast. Come get to the little stock, and that's the good old oats. Fast oats. Make them some bag juice. Make them some KFC. Bag juice over there for KFC. Saltfish, pepper. Whoa. I'm just excited over the whole stock. Thank you.